Good morning, you guys. It's 6:10 right now, something like that, but we're going to Edmonton today, so that's why the early bird is here. And so, yeah, we're just going to Edmonton for fun and all that. This is not it, just a casual thing, ignore the mess. But yeah, so we're just going there for fun. I'm probably gonna go see the mall, because that's like huge, so I've been there before and I really like it. Yeah, we're just going to go and see, explore things, all that fun stuff. But I know it feels like I have been there in like been a while. And so, because I really just went there last year, so yeah, it'll be fun. But yeah, so that's all. I'm just gonna hit the road and then I'll meet you guys there. You guys, it's so loud here, but we made it. We're in the mall. So yeah, to refresh our memories. It's not too crowded because it's like 10 o'clock right now, but yeah. Oh, very cool. I guess we're at the shoe. Those are the pretty ones that sparkles. I don't know, we're just looking around, so, but I really like the sparkle ones, the white one. I just don't know if they have my size. So, yeah. I hope you guys can hear me. So we're in Lanyard and Rose. I got some underwear of the buy 3 get 3 free, but they have really pretty bras. I really like this one. So yeah, it's really pretty. I really do like this stuff. I think it's honestly better than Victoria's Secret in all honesty. I think these guys are slightly cheaper. I could be wrong, but if we compare the two. But yeah, we're just looking around, but I really want this one. So yeah. Okay guys, we just ate our pretzel. So we're actually going to go to the inside shoe area. So look at all that fountain. That looks so cool. So yeah, we're having a good time. We're just chilling. So yeah. And we're still going to go see some other sightings as well. And all that fun stuff. So we're in Zava right now. We're just looking around. Yeah, I don't know, I kind of like this stuff most of the time, but at the same time, not really. I feel like you have to have a really specific style. So, I don't know. Maybe that's just me, but I mean, look. You really have to know what you wear, I think, for this kind of store. Although that shirt is not bad. I kind of like this. But yeah, we're just looking around. This is cute. That's actually a really cute shirt. That's really cute. fucking Ferris wheel. The names are pretty. Station that bugs in. Very cool.
Tutto va finito proprio.
Then you tell lies. Why'd you tell lies? Shanice one part of the Kupachi casting. Yeah, oggi ho un disappointed oggi da Nina. Okay. So we're just walking around and my mom wants to take a picture of me on this bridge. So that's what we're gonna do. Like this mall is honestly so big. I think the last time I couldn't go on this bridge because I think there was something going on. Everything shipwrecked.
What?
Shipwreck. Wow. It's so clear. Uh-huh. Oh yeah, Captain Jack Sparrow. It's Captain Jack Sparrow.
What does that have to do with
The ship.
ringing?
The ship. Of course it does. I'm just kidding.
Evo i ovaj što kupa, da. Vidiš ovdje ovo stopac. Ušto češa leđa koji je.
Aha. Oni tańsi, mali. Aw.
Da se ga duči, ne?
Huh. let's go.
Mini golf.
Yeah, I finished on golf.
Mini golf.
Alright guys, so we're back in Clio. We're actually finishing up the mall. So we're just going to Jasper Avenue to see what's new downtown. Even though I haven't been there before, as you saw, but yeah, just to get some fresh air. I like the mall, but it can be really stuffy. So yeah, so that's the plan right now. We're going to Jasper Avenue and then we will see what we can eat and all that fun stuff. And we're also going to that garden. It's like a little bit outside of Edmonton. It's like in Devon. So yeah, that's the game plan. There seems to be kind of market going on with a lot of music. I'm going to Chili's for food because it's almost 2 o'clock. I hope you guys can hear me. But yeah. So we just found like a random marketplace that we want to look at. And all that fun stuff. So that's a game plan. It's so loud here. I think I know what I want. Okay. Yeah, nothing left now. Yeah. Can I have the milk chocolate? Sure. Just one scoop. Thank you. Alright guys, we're in the garden, botanical garden. It's very nice to you. I had fun, so yeah. This is like our last stop before we head home. This is in Devon. It costs about $20 for one, so I have 4, so it's about $80, $82 with tax. It's really nice. I am full from the ice cream, so I'm just gonna walk off all the calories. Yeah, look at the geese. Oh, that's so cute. Well guys, I'm home. It's almost like 9 p.m. right now, so we left around 6, so 3-hour drive from here, so oh my gosh, I'm so tired, but so happy at the same time. It was a nice day really, so it was a little bit chilly in the morning, but honestly it wasn't that bad, so I wasn't cold at all. And it got really hot in the afternoon. It was like 30 almost, so yeah. We did have some nice weather. It kind of rained on the way back, so again, not too bad, but I'm gonna have some small stuff to show you. So, in all the mess, I got this really pretty bra. I really like it a lot. And just a whole bunch of underwears. I even got a matching one. And all this. This is only from Lemia and Rose. And then I got my melted chocolate. I'm so sad about my chocolate. It's melted. Oh my gosh. So I have to put this guy in the fridge. And also I do have a swimsuit that I bought. But my mom wants to try it out, so the swimsuit is with her, but I'll put up I don't know if I showed it. Oh no, I did. I can't put up a picture, but anyway, so I kind of want to do this for my birthday, just to go to West Edmonton Mall. Like, there's like a water park and rides and Galaxyland, so I really want to do this for my birthday as well. But yeah, obviously I will pay for the gas because it's reindeer. One of my friends will drive us, so I'll pay for her gas. But yeah, so it was fun and tiring. I'm like really tired. I'm kind of hungry actually. I might just have some noodles. But otherwise, if you guys like this, please like, comment, subscribe so you'll be notified every time I post. I'll see you on my next one. Bye!